Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically create a gradient background on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to use this first because I will need to use the canvas to select my colors. So I'm just going to use this blue one, and then I'm going to create a compound clip with that, or I'm just going to freeze it. Well, let's just create a compound clip of that. Also make sure your duration is the same, or just freeze frame it. I'll just make it the same. Then I'm going to again select another color, maybe this orange one. Then right click, create compound clip for that. Place it either like this or this one at the bottom. Select this one, go to mask and select the horizontal one or the mirror one, and you're just going to feather that out to create this gradient. Well, that is it. Super simple. You can use any colors that you want, but that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.